Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find out your wallet address on the Phantom Wallet application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Phantom Wallet application and then log into your account if you haven't done so already using your secret recovery phrase. Now, after you have logged into your account, you will be taken into your homepage where you can find your wallet. Now, right from the homepage, you will find the QR code icon at the top right corner, which you can tap on to see the various wallet address for various different currencies. You will see that you already have 3 different wallet address for Solana, Ethereum, and Polygon currencies. You can simply tap on the copy button alongside, and this will copy the wallet address to your clipboard. You can do this with any kind of wallet, and you can simply provide this wallet address that you have just copied and send it to anyone who would like to send you currency. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to find your wallet address on the Phantom Wallet application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.